we must get her a shampoo bowl. A treatment? What are you talking about? We must get her a shampoo bowl with a chair. Because she has outgrown the sink of doing hair. And
I hate doing this.
Okay, yeah, I hate it too. Okay, so what's happening now, the sister twins are going to put together a shampoo basin because, why are we going to do this?
Because our heads are growing and then we can't sit in the master bedroom seat.
Okay.
Yeah.
I ordered this shampoo basin from Amazon.com. Right, can you pick up the basin? It's a shampoo basin. It is very light, very light. Can we see it? Can we see it? Okay, see how light it is?
Features.
It's what?
The front where you see is where you put the head. These are just where you put the stuff. So
Kenzie, do you want to pick it up and let everybody see how light it is?
Yeah, it's like lightish for me.
It's very light.
Because I lost my muscles.
Yeah, it's very.
I lost
very
my
light.
strength.
Okay, Kenzie, now you can put it down. Okay. So what are the materials that we have?
Wow. We have a shampoo basin.
You already showed the shampoo basin. And what's in your hand? You have a what? What is that?
Water pipe.
That's a water pipe.
Small.
And Sarai, what are you reading from?
We're reading from the instructions.
Yes. Can you turn it around so we can see the instructions? Okay, so as you can see, it says shampoo rack assembly instructions. So as we said before, we have the shampoo basin and we have the water pipe. So is there anything else you want to show us?
Nuts and bolts and
And can you show it to me? Okay.
These are
Open
the
your
bolts,
hand.
and these are the nuts.
Okay.
Bolts and nuts. Can you tell the difference, guys?
Yeah, they can tell the difference. Okay.
This is
so
nuts.
Now you can put those down. And what else do you have?
This is the plugger.
The plug.
This is the feet for the stand. This is one of the feet.
Okay.
So this is how you put it in. You stick it in, and once you have strong muscles, you can just stick it in all the way in one push.
Okay.
But you actually just push it down.
And she did that with all, how many was it?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. Okay, so can you turn it over?
Yes.
Alrighty. So,
I'm gonna put on the stand here.
okay, now we have the stand.
Okay, time to put it in. The sword, like the movie.
Okay.
When the boy found the sword.
Okay. So we're gonna see the stand has to be okay.
Okay, let's push this in.
Can you pick it up for us? Stand up and pick it up for us. Okay. So what are you going to be working on?
We're going to be working on the soap base.
The shampoo basin.
Yes, I forgot.
Okay. So what are the materials you need for your shampoo basin?
Nuts and bolts and the plate.
Okay, you need the nuts and bolts and the plate. Okay, Kenzie.
This over here.
Yeah, put that over there. Okay, so you have the water pipe here, and you have the nuts and bolt, and then you have the plate. So what are you gonna do first?
Oh yeah. First we add the plate, the right side.
Yeah, the plate. So is that the right way of putting the plate on there? Yeah, it looks like the right way.
Yep.
Okay, look at your instruction sheet and let's see if it's the right way.
Let's see. Actually, it doesn't explain. It doesn't show.
Remember right here? So that's the plate right here. And see the arrows, how it goes, where the...
To me, it's a...
Yeah.
Yes.
So that's right. Okay, go start working.
So we add the bolt in one of these holes. Oh my God, it's in the total other side.
So the bolt goes...
It doesn't match the holes though. It needs to match the holes.
You need to match the hole.
Okay,
good
now
job.
It's matched the hole. I kind of actually put it across the hole. So we put that through, and then we get a nut. It's gonna be in my hand, okay? Because you know.
Kids
No.
remember. Oh, she's helping you out.
Okay. Just roll that on until it's tightened. You're so excited. Until it's tightened.
Okay, and you're twisting it until
Here.
it's what?
Tight.
Good job.
So we add the second one and that one. Yes. And we do the same thing. We spin it. You may need a helping hand.
I think you need a helping hand. Okay.
I need anyway. And the bolts. Thank you for holding them.
Okay. Alrighty. Then go ahead and
We do the other side.
got it?
Yes, just a bit tight here. I need with my hand space, not the bolt. My hand space.
Okay.
Right. This is what one of the bolts look like. Big nuts.
Okay.
Got that right?
So what else do you need to do?
Well, we need to.
So we need to make sure it's secured. Not so much, but we'll do that later on.
This.
But you need, what is that called?
The
The pliers. Okay. So later on, what we're gonna do, we're gonna secure that, but we have to show our audience what we're gonna do. Now, what should we do?
We should add this guy.
We should add that guy?
Yeah.
No, we're not gonna add that guy. Okay, put that guy down. Okay, so the instructions are, we are going to take the water pipe.
Okay.
So get the water pipe. And you have two ends to the water pipe.
We're gonna be using this.
Which end are we gonna use?
This one.
That end? Okay, so go ahead and put that end on.
Where I put that? We're going to
Right
need
there.
a screwdriver.
Okay,
I need to go to the other side.
okay.
It's just getting too uncomfortable now. It's just gone too far. Whole level of uncomfortable.
Okay, so,
And I just forgot. I have no idea how to put this on. I'm gonna get our father.
okay.
I'll get her. Wait. While I'm brainstorming,
Okay, so,
I'll just be trying. Should I
go
get Dada?
no. Okay, hold it up, hold it up, hold it up, hold. Okay, now we gotta make sure it fits on. We gotta make sure it
I'll
fits
just put it-
on. Can you hold the camera?
Sure.
Hold the camera. Okay, so we have to make sure it's,
We're gonna use
gotta make sure this here fits onto this part here. Okay?
Over it, not in
Over it, yes. So we're gonna kind of wiggle it until it gets on there.
Wiggle, wiggle.
Wiggle.
The wiggles. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Okay. You got Daddy to help make it tight. Get this screwed on there real good. Secure everything. Okay, so Kenzie is going to adjust the stand to the height she wants the stand to be. Did you make it tight? I think you made it tight. She's pulling this, yeah, she's pulling it up. Good job. Okay, so now we have everything
Ready
assembled together. And Kenzie already did the stand. Now Rye is going to take the shampoo basin.
And put it on here.
Yes, that's what she's going to do.
And maybe move to the other side. Okay. Just so you know, it doesn't go there, right? Where does it go? No? Wait, now that drains into a sink, bathtub, or a shower. Not like it. We add this to this.
Yes. Look at your instructions. Look at the sheet.
Okay.
I'm just watching because I thought we told you this before. Yeah, there you go.
Oh no, that's super big.
Okay, turn it around.
This.
So we have the shampoo bowl hooked up with the water pipe, hooked up with the stand. The what?
The support pipe.
The support pipe. And then that's the foot at the bottom, right? Is that what it's called?
Small foot.
At the bottom. Okay? So that's what we have. But, girls, do you think this is too tall?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You could adjust it.
So, this is the chair that Kenzie is sitting in. Obviously, it is too tall. So, right? Put it so that it can match Kenzie's head.
Is it this way? Oh, no.
Can you turn the bowl? Yeah. Yeah.
Bring it onto my head.
There you go.
Almost there.
Okay. So, do you think it's matching Kenzie's head?
Yeah.
Kenzie, sit down. Sit down. Yeah.
So just adjust it.
Okay. Now, Sarai, is there anything you need to do?
Nope. Put a bit down.
Huh? Okay. Sarai, is there anything you need to do?
Lock it?
No. Just look at Kenzie's head and look at the bowl.
Okay. You push it for like that. Put it down to
Thank
the
you.
bottom.
Thank you. Anything else you need to do, Sarai?
Pull it down.
Sarai, is there anything else you need to do? Think about it. Push it closer to her. Okay.
Jeez, it only gets my ear.
Right here. There you go. Wow. So the shampoo bowl is adjusted to Kenzie's neck.
Yeah.
Oh,
and
wow,
it just
look
has
at
to
that.
Just have to
Look
make
at
it
that.
so to the very beginning.
This is how you what?
We just had to adjust it to the end of the first one.
You had to adjust it?
Yeah, look. We had to.
Okay. So
We didn't even need to make it higher. We just need to make it. We didn't need to do anything with the adjusting. All we did. Okay, this is how long we are making.
Okay.
And this is without.
So
basically.
isn't that nice?
Yes.
Yes. And so all you need now is cushion for your tush. Okay? Cushion. You need a cushion for your tush.
Yeah,
and you need a cushion for your neck. Yay! We see Kenzie. Kenzie is pretending to wash Sarai's hair.
Braiding my hair.
But we need to get one more thing. We need to get a shower head with a hose and to connect it to the shower.
We're gonna switch now.
And that's how the water is gonna flow into the bowl to wash your hair. And then once that happens, the water goes down the drain and
then goes
into
into
the
our tub.
hose.
Even though he has no hair, we're still doing his bald head. Yeah.
Now we adjust it to his height.
My hair is falling out.
Yes, it should be.
My
Let's
hair is
make out his
falling out.
hair fall out. Wait a minute, I need to get his razor, but I don't
You
want
guys
to.
are very bad beauticians. My hair is falling out. My hair is falling out. It's falling out. The bowl should be full of my hair. Because I have no hair left on my head now. It's all gone. You are fired.
You're fired.
I'm suing everybody. Let me out of here. Talk to my lawyer.
You said talk to my lawyer.
Okay.
Let's go in.
So that's the end of our video. So we just wanted to share our experience of putting together this shampoo bowl because we got so tired of what?
Using the sink.
Using the sink.
Yes.
So what are we gonna say?